Hey guys, what's up? Here we are with our next lab, the acceleration lab. Okay, so our purpose of this lab today is to investigate the motion of a mousetrap car. And now, our objectives is by the end of this, you guys should be able to accurately and precisely collect data using a stopwatch. You should also be able to, well, y'all aren't going to do that, we are. I guess that's fine though. By watching the video, you should understand it. You should be able to generate and interpret each of position versus time, velocity versus time, and acceleration versus time graph for the pullback toy car and all the data we collect. And here's the materials. First, we've got a stopwatch, right? And we will use a trusty phone right here. The next thing we're going to need is the measured area. And I have pre-measured from 1 meter, and I'm not gonna drag it all the way through 2 meters as you see, and all the way down the hall to kind of like right there. And we've gone all the way to 20 meters. We'll see how far this car goes. I'm not sure if it'll make it. Fingers crossed, we'll see. Any guesses? Leave them in the comment section below. Just kidding. Anyways, I think the comments are disabled for the video, so don't do that. Okay, anyways, we got a mousetrap car, which is right here. Excellent, straight from the kit, plus some minor modifications, some metal rulers and some washers on the back. And then we've got some washers, which in this case are 1-cent pennies. Okay, so each interval of 5 seconds, I will call out and we will place a penny on the front wheels wherever the mousetrap car ends up being. Okay, so procedure, we've done the area. The timekeeper is going to follow the car with tape or washers. We're going to wind up the car, then release it as it travels down the marked path, starting at 0. And then we will record our data in the data table and rinse and repeat for trials 1, 2, and 3. And your paper should look more or less like this. Maybe it's modified by the time you see this. And we will begin. Hopefully we'll get it right on the first try this time. But we're gonna release in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, whoops, okay, here. At 5 seconds, 4 and 5, right there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, oh no, once again, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. All right, stop. And we will have our trusty teacher to rewind it up, and we will go see where our pennies ended up. Maybe put them right in the middle of the thing. All right, guys, so I am going to come back over here to my trusty mobile cart, reset that, and you guys get to watch me write some numbers. Okay, so the car at 0 seconds, our position should have been 0. And that's probably gonna end up being true for all of the trials, right? So then at 5 seconds, that's where we put in our next penny. Okay, so our next penny looks like we've got right here, what would we say, 1.4? 1.4? Yeah, 1.4 meters. At 10 seconds, oh, remember guys, our precision, right? We measured in meters, so we can only be one level of precision more than meters, which is 1 point something meters, right? So the something is our level of uncertainty. Let's keep going. At 10 seconds, this was 5 seconds, then we kept going, and at 10 seconds, we got 3 point, what do you want to call that, 7 or 6? 6, sure, 3.6 meters. Next one, looks like we started to speed up. Notice that the spacing gets larger. Oops, dropped something. Okay, so here we are just after 5, and we'll call it another, what, 5.6?
Yep.
Sure, 5.6 meters at 20 seconds. Hopefully I called this one out. Maybe it was going really fast. So here we are, just past 8 and just before 9. I guess we'll call it 8.9 meters. And here we really started to speed up. Our next spot is right up past the 13 meter mark. 13 point, what do you guys think? 0.1?
15, oh yeah.
0.1? 13.1 we'll put. We should have 2 more sticks. Okay, so it looks like those 2 are really close together. So what happened there? Slowed down. Okay, so we'll see that on the graph. It'll be interesting to look at. Now, looks like we got 15 over here, 16 right here. The next one at 20, is it 25? No, it's 30 seconds. Looks like we'll be at 15.5. Okay, and then our last one, what would you say, 0.6, 15.6. All right. And really, if we wanted to, we could add a 40 seconds and say that it was still at 15.6. Yeah. By the time you see this, I'll probably add that bottom row. All right, let's go to trial 2. Here we go. On to the next one. All right, back at the start. Let's see if I can do this again. Trial number 2. In 3, in 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And there we go. Excellent. Let's go ahead and pause the timer. And we will reset and regroup. Here we go. Let's go ahead and get this guy reset. All right. All right. So once again, trial 2. This video will only include collecting the data. Let's go ahead and look at trial number 2. Should be in this column with me right here. 0 seconds, we started at the start, which was at 0 meters, okay? After that, we're going in the positive direction. So that's indicated by not having a negative number, positive number. What did you say there? Would you want to just call it 1.0? Maybe? 1.0? Yeah, we'll call it 1.0. Just there, yeah. Just barely before the 1. I measured to where the backside of this is the next meter. So that one's just there. Looks like we'll go with 1.0 meters. Not 1 meter, because then that takes away from our accuracy. 1.0 precision. All right, next one, we've got a 2 and a 3. What do you guys think? 2.7 or 2.8? 2.8? Sure. 2.8 meters. Always write the unit. Next we got past 4, just past 5. What do y'all think? 5.2? We'll put 5.2 meters. Number 20 seconds. 20 seconds. So we went 6, we went to 7, we went to 8, just before the 9. Speeding up again, remember guys? 8.9, we'll call it. 25 seconds. We went to the 10, we went to the 11, we went past the 12, past the 13, and I think we ended up maybe 13.4? Yeah, 13.4. Look at that, some of our numbers are real close. 8.9, 8.9, anyways, let's keep going. Numbers amuse me. 14, 15, 16, 17. Looks like just past the 16 and almost at the 17. We'll call it 16.7. Yeah, 16.7. Okay. And what happened here? We got some slowdown, huh? Yep, okay. Yes, the last one. So 17 and then 18. Halfway in between, we'll call it 17.5. And after that, it was already stopped. So we'll keep it at 17.5 meters. Cool, cool. By the time you get this, that'll be filled in, hopefully. If I do my job right. On the way back to the start. All the way back. 20 meters. Now, calculate my distance traveled and leave that in the comments below. All right, ready for trial number 3. Trial number 3 in 3, 2, 1. Oh no. Hold on. Let's get trial 3. I don't know if I'll edit that. 15:55.
I'm nervous.
So, yeah, about 20
We'll do
minutes.
quick.
All right,
It
yeah,
takes a
real
couple
quick.
seconds.
And 3, and 2, and 1, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and we're done. Call it, stop, reset, and let's go get the data. Oh. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those announcements. I don't know if I edited them out yet. We'll see. Okay, let's get the data. Trial 3, starting off 0 meters. We are currently on a release period. So you'll hear some background noise. 5 seconds. Okay, first penny, looks like just past the 1. We'll call it 1.3, yeah. 1.3 meters. Next one, 2, just past the 2 and just past the 3 rather, and we're at 3.4. We'll call it 3.4 meters. 15 seconds. The next one just past the 5, and just before the 6, we'll call it 6.0 meters. 6.0. 20 seconds. 7, 8, 9, and just past, almost halfway between the 9 and the 10, we'll call it 9.4. 25 seconds. So past the 10, past 11, past 12, 13, 14, just past the 14. What do you think? 14.1 or 14.2? I think 2. 2, yeah. 14.2. 30 seconds. Okay, looks like we're over here. Just past halfway point on that one. We'll call it 16.6 meters. That's a 6. Oh, forgot to film my writing. And looks like that last one will be 16.9 or 8? 9. 16.9. 0.9 meters. All right, and one last look at your data. Oh, sorry, it stayed there, right? It didn't move from there. So at 40 seconds, theoretically, it would have been also at 16.9 meters. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And we'll talk to you soon on the rest of filling out this chart. Okay, see y'all later. Bye-bye.